Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to comment GIFs on Instagram. For example, if you open a post and if you click on comments and if you want to comment GIFs on Instagram post, then how you can do that. If you see in comment section there is no option to comment GIFs on Instagram, so how you can get that option? So you have to watch this video completely if you want to know. First of all, you have to close the Instagram app. After closing the Instagram app, what you have to do, you have to open Play Store if you are in iPhone, or if you are in Android, you have to simply open the Play Store and you have to search for Instagram here. After searching the Instagram, you have to check whether your Instagram is updated or not. If it is showing any kind of update, kindly please update your Instagram app. After updating your Instagram app, what you have to do is you have to simply open your Instagram. After opening the Instagram, you have to refresh your Instagram and you have to check any kind of post here. If it is showing option of gifts here, then well and good. If it is not showing the option of gift, then this option is available or limited to few countries, and it will be available to all countries in a few months or days. So you have to wait for some time so that the gift comments option is available to all countries, because it is limited to some countries and only available for the selected countries, may like USA and other countries. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.